Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple different cases. I've already done a review here of the OtterBox Defender. You guys have already seen that on the channel. There's a couple videos about OtterBox and the OtterBox Defender for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, as well as plenty of other devices throughout the past few years. But I picked up a Pelican Shield case this year. This is the Shield carbon fiber. I picked it up on Amazon. I think it ran me about $60. It was about in the same price range as an OtterBox Defender. Don't quote me on the exact price, but in the same price range. It does have built-in MagSafe magnets, and it does come with a holster in the box, which if you saw my other video, the OtterBox Defender this year does not come with a holster in the box. You have to use a code and order it. So if you want to get a holster in the box, get the Pelican, because it's going to be in the box ready to go. So if you need that right away, something you use quite frequently, definitely better on there. So this is a nice carbon fiber back right here. So very nice look, very nice feel, as opposed to, I'm not saying the OtterBox feels bad, but as opposed to the rubber on the OtterBox, this is kind of more of a grippy case than this one. But the sides on this one do offer plenty of little, it's not like texture, but ridges and stuff like that, so it's not slippery or anything like that. The camera cutout on this one, I do prefer the camera cutout on the Pelican over the OtterBox, because the OtterBox just leaves you with a gaping hole, which a lot of people online do not like on any case. I kind of wish that case manufacturers would just do what Apple did and put a button there. Some case manufacturers, some third-party case manufacturers did do that, but a lot of these cases just have a cutout. As far as ease of use, the OtterBox is a little bit easier, but as far as protection and looks, the Pelican is the favorite in my opinion. You can see your thumb kind of fits right in there. I almost wish they made this like Touch ID. I feel like they could have put a Touch ID sensor in there. It would have been perfect. I've actually been used to like my fold and phones with side power buttons with the fingerprint sensor, and I've actually gone to do that a couple times, and then I was like, oh wait, it's not a fingerprint sensor. But when you're using the actual camera on here, it is kind of hard to use the camera controls, just because it is recessed and your thumb you hit right there. So that is one thing to note. It is a little bit harder to use. Now, like I said, this one offers less protection, but it is a big giant gaping hole, so it's a little bit easier to get those swipe gestures and stuff like that, as opposed to the Pelican. But both great cases, just depends on your preferences. So I wanted to show you guys both of them, do a little comparison. Those little screws right there are just for looks. They don't do anything. It is a two-piece case like the OtterBox, but it doesn't unscrew or anything like that. And then you do have your cutouts for your speaker and microphone, as well as your USB-C port cover. Again, camera control cutout, power button, action button, volume button, stuff like that. Raised camera, so it protects your camera a little bit. And then you have your raised camera, a little bit less raised on the OtterBox, but still there nonetheless. Well, speaker cutout on the top there. I'm using a screen protector with this. Fits with the screen protector just fine. Both these cases do. Haven't had any issues with that. There's a little bit of information about it right there. Works with MagSafe. Again, the OtterBox does as well. Two-piece protection, tactile side panels, lifetime guarantee, all that kind of stuff. So it is a pretty tough case. And you guys, if you know this Pelican cases, the big boxes, stuff like that. Sorry, this is so dusty. It's something that was on the table, and now I've had my phone upside down when I started the video, and now it's on the screen. But there we go. That is the Pelican versus OtterBox Defender. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.